Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this video I'm going to do the 90 FPS Battlegrounds mobile game drop test in the Poco X3 Pro device after the Miui 13 update. So this is a Poco X3 Pro which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and right now you can clearly see friends the real-time FPS statistics is reaching up to 86 FPS and 87. It did drop up to 77 as well during this process. So it is at 87, 80 FPS we are getting right now exactly. As you can see friends, overall the FPS not bad here in the maintaining. So 89 we are getting consistent. Definitely there will be frame drops while gaming, but right now so this is the situation here right now. So friends, 90 FPS and 88 FPS it is maintained during this process of demonstration exactly. And I'll try to even do the team deathmatch testing as well. We'll try to find out exactly what's going on. With the team deathmatch. As you can see, overall the FPS not bad here in the drop. So it did drop to 88, it's maintaining. So this is a quick drop test exactly in the classic match which I'm trying to do, and definitely I'll try to turn on the team deathmatch as well as soon as possible. So regarding the temperatures, the phone will definitely increase slightly high temperatures. If you're trying to play at 90 FPS, 41 degrees Celsius, it did increase during this process of demonstration exactly. So let's try to do the normal team deathmatch and let's see what's happening here. Let's go back and start doing the team deathmatch. Let's connect to the here. Right now as you can see friends, the FPS drop during this process of demonstration exactly. Almost it's kind of maintaining exact right now. So 85 FPS it's maintaining exact. $85 FPS, 84 FPS, it did drop a little bit, not bad. Right now as you can see friends, how is FPS going on maintaining? 17 FPS, it did drop a little bit, not bad. But the temperature seems to be increasing slightly, kind of high, 42.8 degrees Celsius the temperature increased, pretty high. As you can see friends, overall regarding the FPS, not bad. So it's a quick demonstration friends, playing the 90 FPS in the Poco X3 Pro device after the Miui 13 update. So definitely there is really kind of frame drops happening here and there in the Poco X3 Pro device, but using the GFX tool and config file only you can actually play at this moment with the 90 FPS. Otherwise you won't be able to play at 90 FPS in the Poco X3 Pro device. Unfortunately that's the situation right now, which I thought of just mentioning to you all in case if you're thinking. The default graphics did not update. You need to use a GFX tool only to get 90 FPS in this Poco X3 Pro device. So temperatures right now did increase up to 42.4 degrees Celsius, the highest temperatures during this process, just for playing only for 5 to 10 minutes of time. That's it. I did not play much time, only for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is another demonstration friends in the So you can see when the frame drops little bit, but not much. 85 FPS and 87 FPS right now I did get.
Target down. Reloading. Clear.
The blue team is unstoppable.
So 80 FPS and 82 FPS it did drop a little bit.
Nice shot. Reloading. Target down. Cover me. Enemy down. Reloading. Dead.
Killing spree for the blue team.
Great. You're about to win.
The blue team is about to win.
Expired. Enemy down. Reloading. Blue team victory.
As you can see friends, overall the FPS not bad even in the maintaining. So that's it friends, thank you for watching us. State of more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, this is a quick FPS drop test in the Poco X3 Pro device after the MIUI 13 update, which I thought of just mentioning for you all regarding the recent update MIUI 13. And my phone temperature did reach up to 42.6 and 42 degrees Celsius during this process of testing. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.